Hey guys, today let's learn how to summarize a YouTube video with Google Bard. So if you guys are wondering how you guys could utilize Google Bard to summarize a YouTube video, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is actually make sure that we have the extensions of our Google Bard on YouTube set. As you would notice, you could actually proceed with typing in @YouTube to basically call Google Bard to do something with the YouTube. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and type in the @YouTube, and you can actually go ahead and now enter a YouTube link or look for a specific video on YouTube that you'd like Google Bard to summarize. So let's say, look for the top video about fitness. You could actually go ahead and try this out yourselves and see if it will actually work for you. As you see, it's trying to go ahead and launch the YouTube by itself, and it's going to give me a list of the top fitness videos on YouTube as well. As you would notice, here's the list, and if you want to go ahead and basically tap and watch on that video, you could also do so. And from here, you could actually tell Google Bard to summarize the first YouTube video that you listed. So let's see if Google Bard could actually do that for us. And it actually did it as well. So as you would notice, here is a quick summary of the YouTube video that came from Google Bard. You could also go ahead and try it out yourselves by entering some links from YouTube and then entering that to Google Bard and asking it for it to create a summary for you. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and take care.